Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you two products, so two table lamps. So in case you guys are looking for a good table lamps, then definitely this review will help you. So these two table lamps are from Sympa. So let's open one by one and I'll show you how it looks. So let's open this one first. This one is Sympa LED table lamp. This is how it looks. By touching, you can turn on or turn off, and you can charge it by, it's a mini USB. We can charge it here. So yeah, it's definitely a nice one to put it near your desk or bedroom side. It will definitely look nice. It has this strap, so we can hold it like this. Yeah, it's definitely a good one. So this is how it lights. Yeah, so it's just turn on and turn off. You can turn this one by pressing this one, turn on and off. By long press, like pressing this one, you can adjust the brightness. Yeah, you can use it as a lantern also. Yeah, it looks so nice. You can see. This from Sympa. Okay. Charger. And here is the USB 5V. You can use it as a USB charger, or you can use this DC. I am trying to use this DC one. Or also you can use the USB charger also. Here is the 5V DC point. You can use the DC point, or also you can use the USB port. They have a USB port. You can also use the USB port, but currently I'm using the DC port, which is directly connected to the power. So now I have to turn on. So just turn on. They have like 6 settings. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 modes. And also the mode, you can change the mode here. It's like a bright white light, then is a bright yellow, bright white. By touching this one, you can change the modes, which one you like, prefer white light or yellow light. And this is for number 5. This is 4, 3, 2, 1, which one you like. This is the lowest one. And this is yellow, this is white, and this is yellow and white. This is yellow. Number 2, this is number 5, number 6. So yeah, pretty simple and really sleek. And you can adjust this light as per your need. Like you can make this way. Yeah, you can make it pretty straight up to this angle, and also you can close it and fold it. That's pretty good. And the base is also pretty sleek, and it's not moving. So yeah, it's a good one. and the brushed metal finish. So yeah, everything is good. I don't have much complaint. For a decent lamp, definitely you can try this one because it's pretty simple, easy to use, and looks really nice. So let me turn off this one. So turn on. So this is I love this design. Yeah, both of the lights sound like really great. I don't have much complaint. I mean, the way they have mentioned it was exactly like this way, and also their build quality is really great. So yeah, you can try this table lamp. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.